VIW applications are pretty much suitable for homes and residential buildings, including living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and bathrooms. They are also ideal for commercial spaces such as offices, retail stores, and restaurants. In villas where both aesthetics and insulations are important, customizable VIW designs offer a practical solution. Due to its lightweight nature, VIW can also be applied in aircraft cabins, offering both thermal and acoustic insulation through varied outer layers. Additionally, VIW can be integrated into vehicle interiors to enhance insulation and minimize heat loss, cooling loss between the vehicle's interior and exterior environments.